Hello, welcome back. I'll show you how VLOOKUP works in Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet editing program. So VLOOKUP is used so that you can actually determine what the price is for any of these, fruits that you choose. So for example, I want to type grapes, and then we know that grapes cost $5.56, for instance. So to look for the price, all we do is to select this cell and then type the equal sign, VLOOKUP, open bracket. The lookup value is the value in a cell that we are looking for the price of. So in this case, it's the grapes. Click on it and then type the semicolon, space, and then select these cells and then type semicolon, space, and then look for the column with the prices. So the third column will be the column with the prices. So type 3 and then semicolon and then type 0, close bracket, enter, you're done. It is $5.56. So same goes for bananas. All you do is to type the equal sign and then you type in VLOOKUP, open bracket, and then select this as the lookup value, the item that you want to look for the price of, and then type in semicolon. Select these cells, semicolon, space, 3, because the third column has the prices represented by the number of the column, and then semicolon, 0, close bracket, you're done. Yeah, that's the same. The bananas cost $2.26. Alright, that's the overview of VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet editing program, so that you can actually look for a price of something. Let's say if the table is bigger and then you want to look for, the price of something, VLOOKUP will help you out with this. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.